Every day, almost 300 million people around the world suffer from major depression disorder. Current repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation therapy, called TMS, alleviates 50 to 70% of drug-resistant and hospitalized severe depression. TMS therapy has not been widely adopted due to its high cost of purchase and maintenance. Technical skills are required for position of the coils to the lesion site, and extra space is needed for accommodating TMS equipment. NeuroPrex NPX is a revolutionary wearable TMS device for treating depression, PTSD, and other neurological disorders. It is designed to overcome the disadvantages of current TMS therapy.
Transcranial magnetic stimulation has been in America since 2008. It was first FDA approved for treatment-resistant depression, and it's proven to be extremely successul.
TMS is done at the office. You come for 4-6 weeks every day. It's something that is not uncomfortable at all, and you can tolerate very well, and most of the patients have a significant improvement of the depression. And the challenge with TMS is that you need to have significant practice, and you need to do some trial and error until finding the right approach. NeuroPrex, what it's doing is automatizing the process, and also making it more and more affordable.
TMS is used primarily for drug-resistant patients, and for drug-resistant patients, the current TMS devices are very large, they're very bulky, and they have side effects.
So one of the barriers to using this in private practice is the outlay, the hassle factor, redeploying your whole practice, and making it user-friendly and using it more as an appliance in the home setting would get around that.
NeuroPrex developed a transcranial magnetic stimulation device. Is a portable and miniaturized TMS, which means that the equipment size will be much smaller that could be used by the doctors at their current existing clinic, and it could also reduce the side effect that could significantly to reduce the scalp pain and headache. That's the goal. We are trying to make this device more comfortable for patients and users.
With TMS, it's a very clean approach, and it is focused on the problem. The other really phenomenal thing about it is it actually cured some of my patients. When I say cured, I mean they went off their meds, didn't need them anymore.
In the case of PTSD, PTSD is a very serious condition. A lot of people here are suffering of that. TMS might ameliorate some or maybe all of the symptoms, and by this way improving the quality of life of people with PTSD.
Well, I served in the Marines in Vietnam, and I've been active in veterans groups in the Bay Area. There's still almost 20 veterans a day that commit suicide, so it's clear that there's still more help needed for these veterans to try to prevent this. With the incident of veteran suicides and PTSD, that the TMS device could be a very good therapy for veterans as well, to try to help treat PTSD.
An ultimate goal for NeuroPrex to do is to deliver the NPX, a transcranial magnetic stimulation device, so powerful to treat patients, to bring this device to home, to let patients can use the device whenever they need to maintain their emotion in the good conditions. So that requires to incorporate a lot of telemedicine applications, software applications, and to incorporate the software technologies into ecosystems to also managed by the doctors and patients to work together. Let's go to combat the depressions once for all.
Using physics instead of biology or medications is a whole new approach that is cleaner and is not fraught with side effects. It's focused on the organ that you need to focus on. So the opportunities for development in this area are just phenomenal. And I think that NeuroPrex is an innovative company that sees that and is working towards that end.